What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Apple Rewind. So this week we do not actually have a lot to go over. We've already kind of talked about our performance reviews for iOS 26.3 Beta 1. That came out, but I do want to recap some things specifically about that in case you missed our other video. First things first, for a first beta, at least on iOS, it actually has been very stable and not bad to use. When you actually jump into it and go around jumping through your apps like you normally would, it is just as smooth as all of the other prior betas have been. And one thing we didn't talk about was actually gaming on this. And I have to say, memory has been holding a lot better here when we go to Clash like we usually do. If you guys play Clash Royale, let me know. Throw that gamer tag down below, down to play. I've been playing it a little more than normal, but I do have to say, it hasn't refreshed as much as it has on iOS 26.2. So, jumping around, as you can see here, let's just go ahead and scroll down, get our free deal. Everything has been working very smoothly. You can go to battle, it loads up pretty quickly. And then if you get out of this, jump into, let's just go to the Apple Watch app, scroll for a minute. Let's go into, just go to YouTube for a second, scroll down. And then if you want to go back to Clash, you can see it actually stayed in memory. This was an issue last beta and last full release. Happy to see that has improved here slightly also. And then if you missed it, our Geekbench scores, if that's something you're interested in, have been pretty consistent as well. Haven't had much issues with these benchmarks. As you can see here, the latest one right here on December 18th that we ran for beta 1 has very good scores here. Single core is a 3808 and multi-core was 9779. And that's in line with all the other ones, if not a little higher. So this is not terrible considering A, it's a first beta, and B, this is one we're going to be on for a couple of weeks. So talking about this release schedule now too as well, you can see here this did come out on the week of the 15th. We're not getting one on the 22nd next week, and definitely not the week after due to the holidays. And this is something that's going to have to last users for another few weeks here. So we probably won't get beta 2 until the 5th of January. So this is a long time to be on a single beta on a primary device. And again, even now that everything's finished re-indexing and we've been using it for a number of days, it can still tank. It is not uncommon for betas to get worse as time goes on, unfortunately. So even though I'm praising it right now, don't go jump on it and download this unless you are okay with putting up with it for a number of weeks still. Now, having said that too, if you missed our other video, we will be at CES this year from the 5th through the 8th. So I have to say, we might not have a beta video depending on how our schedule is for beta 2. So keep that in mind. I'm sorry about that, guys. I'll post something to let you know it's out, but most likely we will not have that next beta video done as quick as we normally do. But as far as other releases go, we could see another release for 26.2.1. Since we haven't seen any sort of bug fixes yet, and there have been some performance and battery life issues, I will say Wi-Fi and all of that, Bluetooth has maintained pretty well here. Liquid glass is not changing much at this point, nor would we expect it to. And feature-wise, obviously on 0.3 betas really don't exist. It is more of a stability and bug fix update traditionally. Now, beyond that also, what we will see is steady improvements, like I said, hopefully on background activities, like we said with Clash. Battery has been good, so everything does look surprisingly well for a first beta. But that's it for this one. Let me know what you guys think. If you're using beta 1 for 26.3, comment down below and let me know how it's been working for you guys. I'm just one person. I'm using a 17 Pro Max, as you guys are aware at this point, and I've had shockingly 0 issues, including battery life. So I'll take it. I'm a fan. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.